Hello everyone, today we are going to learn basic Shift Architect tutorial how to edit title block. So we have this example layout template, and if you want to edit title block in it, like I will edit for the date, for the text height, you can change for the layout page into 0, you can click this icon, and after it you can select the date. I will select this text, you can double click, will be moved into the text option. You can click this option tools and I will set like text height into 9. Don't forget to uncheck in it and you can click OK. Now the text height will be automatically changed to 9. You also can move by clicking at these points to the bottom a bit, or you can move to the top here. So to edit again another, you can select, like I will select at this point. You can set the new name in here, or you can set for the text height and another option. If you done, you can click OK. And if you want to back again, you can change for the layout page into 1. Okay, that's it for a basic Shift Architect tutorial, how to edit title block. If you have any question about tutorial, you can comment below this video.